Homeowners in Carencro know the importance of keeping their houses comfortable and secure through every season. Between humid summers, occasional heavy rains, and Louisiana's warm climate, unwanted guests like insects, termites, and mold can easily find ways inside, especially through old or poorly sealed windows. If you've noticed tiny gaps, condensation between panes, or warping around your window frames, it might be time for an upgrade. Professional window installation not only improves your home's appearance and energy efficiency but also serves as a strong defense against two common southern challenges, pests and moisture. Here's how properly installed windows can protect your Carencro home from these unwelcome intruders. Sealing out pests before they get in. Louisiana's warm, humid climate makes it a perfect breeding ground for ants, mosquitoes, roaches, and termites. These pests are experts at finding small openings in window frames and seals, especially in older homes with worn-out caulking or warped materials. Professional window installation ensures that every seam, joint, and edge is properly sealed, leaving no gaps for pests to squeeze through. During installation, experts use weather stripping and high-quality caulking to close tiny cracks. Tightly fitted frames that eliminate entry points. Durable materials like vinyl or fiberglass that don't warp or rot, even in Carencro's humid conditions. This tight seal not only prevents insects from entering but also stops larger pests like geckos or rodents from slipping into attics or crawl spaces through window gaps. Proper sealing is especially important in older wooden frames, where termites often find their way in. Upgrading to newer, moisture-resistant materials can help stop these silent invaders before they cause damage. Preventing moisture buildup and water damage. Carencro's climate often brings sudden rain showers and high humidity, conditions that can lead to moisture infiltration if your windows aren't properly installed. Even small gaps or misaligned frames can let rainwater seep into walls, leading to rot, mildew, or mold growth over time. Professional installers ensure your windows are equipped with flashing systems, insulation foam, and weather-resistant seals that direct water away from your home. The result is a clean, dry window area that stays protected even during heavy downpours. Moisture-resistant window materials like vinyl and fiberglass also prevent condensation from forming inside the glass or around the frame. This helps maintain indoor air quality and keeps allergens, spores, and humidity under control, crucial for homeowners who want a healthy living environment. Maintaining structural integrity. Moisture intrusion doesn't just affect the surface, it can weaken your home's structure over time. If water enters through poorly sealed windows, it can soak into drywall, flooring, or insulation, leading to costly repairs. By investing in professional installation, you're ensuring that your windows fit tightly and are securely anchored to the frame. This prevents water from pooling or seeping into your home's foundation, protecting both your investment and your family's comfort. Additionally, well-installed windows maintain their shape and function for years, even with Carencro's temperature swings and humidity levels. Improving comfort and energy efficiency. In addition to blocking pests and moisture, new windows enhance your home's overall comfort. Tight seals and energy-efficient glass keep cool air inside during Carencro's warm months and prevent unwanted drafts in cooler weather. This helps regulate indoor temperatures more effectively, reducing your reliance on air conditioning, and lowering your energy bills in the process. Many modern windows also include low-E coatings and argon gas insulation, which reflect heat and protect your interior from UV damage. This combination of efficiency and comfort adds long-term value to your home while maintaining a healthier, cleaner environment. Long-term protection through professional installation. DIY window replacements may seem tempting, but without proper tools or experience, even small installation errors can lead to leaks and pest problems later on. Professional installers in Carencro know how to account for local weather conditions, ensuring the correct sealing techniques and materials are used for lasting results. They also verify that each window meets local building codes and energy standards, giving you peace of mind that your home is well protected for years to come. Final thoughts for Carencro homeowners. Professional window installation is more than just an upgrade, it's an investment in protection and peace of mind. By sealing out pests, preventing moisture damage, and improving energy efficiency, new windows help your home stay strong, comfortable, and beautiful year-round. Whether you're renovating an older property or building new, investing in expertly installed, energy-efficient windows will help you enjoy a safer, cleaner, and more comfortable Carencro home, rain or shine.